Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just wanted to come back on and do some project shares with you all. I did add, let's start with the Kscraft's Mermaid Tail mini album, well, box turned into a mini album. I shared that I used a chain for my closure, so I wanted to add some charms on here, and I probably will add a little bit more or move some around. It just depends, but for now, this is what I have on my little charm on the mini album. So it opens with little lobster clasp. It's like a jewelry, and look at that, it's so pretty. I mean, they're all facing the wrong way, but there you go. And I thought, oh, that is so perfect. So while we're here with this little mini album, you can see it better on the table. I got some mermaids on here, about 3 mermaids, a little clamshell, some starfish, and yeah, a little mermaid. I don't know what they call this, but it's a bead or a charm. I still did not decorate my cover. I'm thinking I just want to leave it the way it is unless I find something in my stash to make me want to change it. But yeah, this is what I did to my inside cover. I kind of added some of the embellishment pieces, just tuck them in there in the scale part, and they hold it really well. So I got the little jellyfish friend here. I got little corals and a little bubble. And literally, you just take your embellishment and pop the scale. Just pop one layer of the scales up, and that's all you need to add your embellishments, and it will stay. I didn't add anything on this front panel yet. I'll probably add some later on. I added the 2 embellishment pieces that we made on Sunday Live with them crafty girls. So I just added them in there with the little clothespin with the mermaids and just clipped it in. And then here I did the same thing as the front panel. I just use the scales to hold in the embellishment. You just pop it out and it will stay. As far as these embellishments go, they're pretty much in there. Here I added some temporary adhesive, the sticky dot, like foam dot. And I found that these come off easy. They don't damage the book itself. So when whoever receives this, they could pop it off and they could still use this as an album and probably put some beach photos in there, you know. So I didn't decorate these 2 bag toppers. They're still undecorated, but they're there. I could go back and decorate them. And then on the back side, you can see I didn't add anything here yet, but yeah, this one you can open up, add some other embellishments or even just photos. So that's what I got there. And this is where the dangle lives. So it's really short and cute. Yeah, this will go into my mermaid, not mermaid, the clamshell tote. So this one, it has the handle, the pearl handles, and I put my card in here. Oops, it was supposed to go in the mini album. I just added the card, so it will go with this little mini album. And I didn't do anything else to this one. I thought this was just perfect the way it is. So this fits perfectly into the clamshell tote. And then this squeezes in. This is another reason I didn't want to decorate my front, because this fits perfectly into the bag. And I can add, I still have room to decorate and add more embellishments. But that's how it's going to look when I send this out to whoever I want to send it to. It will probably, if I don't send it anywhere, it will probably live here in my craft room. But look at how pretty that is. So that is one of the projects I wanted to share. The other one was the beach tote. This is back in 2024, the June release in 2024. And this is a shaker. Whoops, I forgot I have my embellishments in there. So these are just the embellishments from this year's June release. And I'm going to create something to put those into. And this will become another giveaway. So this came with this die set from 2024. The beach ball and the hat are new. And then here on the side, I just added a chain for, you know, everyone's decorating their purses with some embellishments or dangles. So this is what I came up with. I used some of these little starfish, and these are coming from Ebony, who's the Rosette Guru. And if you're not following her on Instagram, she is having a sale right now, so go check it out. I will leave her link in the description box below. And then on this big jump ring, I added another starfish, a larger starfish, also from the Rosette Guru. And then this little charm here, like the mermaid scales. So I just added it there. And I thought that looked really cute. And it's a shaker, so it's got all the fun goodies in there. And I like this idea of the purse charm. So it's dangling all seaweed, the starfish. And you got the little plastic chain. I got the plastic chain from Amazon. So yeah, there you have it. That's my little project share. I wanted to just get on here and get those out to you all. If you're new here, welcome. Please join the Crafty family by hitting the subscribe button. And while you're there, if you hit the notification bell, it will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. And welcome back to all my returning subscribers. Love you guys. Join us here every live, whenever there's a live here on my channel, because there's like fun conversations and just so much laughing. There's so much laughing. So come on over and join us. When you hit that notification bell, it would also let you know when I go live. So thanks again. Hit the thumbs up while you're out there, and I will see you all next time. Bye.